Hi Vidya. So
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Good, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Vidya, introduce about yourself.
I'm Vidhya from Srikalasti. I have done my graduation in SVEW Tirupati. Uh, I have done both my PU and SSC in MGM Institute Srikalasti.
Okay, Vidya, like how you got to know with CMTI Institute?
One of my friend referred me.
Okay, so in what topic you have graduated? Like you are from computer science to
Computer science.
yeah. So computer science to CMTI, like it's totally civil and non-civil. Like what was the motivation to you to jump from computer science to this field?
Actually, I have interested in interior design, ma'am. So I like to learn about interior design to create the things and all. I like.
Okay, that's nice to hear. So this is a main motivation for you, like for the designing, you have shifted from computer science to interior, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In IDM course, what you have learned?
Like basics of interiors, ma'am, like kitchen standards and a cut list. Like I have learned about softwares, AutoCAD and SketchUp, ma'am.
Okay. Like ನಿಮ್ಗೆ trainer supports ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾ? Like when since from computer science, right? So it will be too difficult to you to understand. So how was the trainer supports?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸೊ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Okay. Then how was your software sessions? Like what you have learned in software and what the new things you have learned in the softwares?
I have learned AutoCAD and SketchUp, ma'am. It was good. Trainer was good, ma'am.
Okay. What are the interior visits you have completed and the site visits you have attended?
Like experience centers like Homeland Design Cafe, IKEA, IBO, and BGRT, ma'am. Like I have visited a factory also, Vishwa Panel Craft, and Indian Wood. And
Okay, Vidya. So you have took the practical and theory knowledge together. So how
yes, ma'am.
was that experience compared to practical and theory? In which field you have got the more knowledge?
Like practical only, ma'am. Going to site and knowing about that, it's very useful for us, ma'am, to learn.
Okay, that's nice. Finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI?
I recommend to get good knowledge about the interior designs and all. It is the best institute to join, and 100% placement will be there. So I suggest to join them.
Okay, like how was the coordinators, staff support towards you?
Yes, ma'am. It was they was very helpful, ma'am.
Okay. What's your interview procedures, like placement procedures, how you cracked it?
Actually, I have attended three companies, ma'am. Like two, I got rejected. Now I have placed as an interior design role. It was
Okay.
easy, ma'am. Little bit. Interview was easy.
Okay. How many rounds you have attended? How was the procedures in the company?
I have attended two rounds, ma'am. First round it was like a self introduction, and they have given assignment. After that assignment, final round was there with the director, ma'am. So I got selected after that.
Okay. I think you are very much happy with your placements.
Yes, ma'am. I'm very happy.
Okay, Vidya. Thank you for your feedback and
Yeah,
congratulations for your placements.
thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Have a bright future, Vidya.
Thank you.